Ayan, so good afternoon, For Life Philippines, or should I say the entire For Life world. Welcome to the most exciting and the grandest and most definitely the most anticipated event of the year, the One For Life Philippines National Convention 2025. My name is Ian, and of course, I'm joined by my fellow co-supervisors, Happy and Talk.
Good afternoon, everyone. And yes, Ian, you are absolutely right. Today, we are celebrating 19 incredible years of bringing good health and amazing business opportunities through For Life here in the Philippines. Nakaka-proud talaga maging part ng For Life family.
Tama ka dyan, Happy. And speaking of nakaka-proud, today we will be recognizing some of our most dedicated and passionate affiliates.
Yes.
So sila yung mga tao na hindi tumigil na tumulong sa maraming tao to change their lives in a positive way by sharing the business opportunity that we have here at For Life.
Ayan, tamang-tama ka dyan, Toph. And of course, Toph, Happy, alam nyo ba, what makes this celebration even more meaningful is that so many of our affiliates from all around the country, from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, buong Pilipinas po, are here with us today.
Yes, and grabe talagang effort nila. And you can really feel the excitement. No, one thing I'm definitely looking forward today, seeing their outfits. Yes, alam mo, pinaghandaan talaga ng ating mga affiliates ang kanilang mga outfits.
Absolutely, and that's why we're kicking things off with our grand red carpet, where we'll get the chance to meet and interview some of our inspiring affiliates. Pero before that, before natin tawagin yung mga affiliates natin na interviewin natin for the red carpet, let's see may mga nag-engage na ba sa ating Facebook Live
Yes,
today.
let's see.
Ngayon talaga yung iniintay nating araw, di ba?
Totoo.
Pinaghandaan talaga natin to.
Totoo talaga yan. And kung nakikita talaga ng mga viewers natin right now, no, punong-puno
Correct.
itong Newport kahit maulan.
Di ba? Yes. Kanina kaya, di ba kanina nag-live tayo, encourage natin ang pulis ng maaga, yung mga affiliates natin, di ba? Kasi for sure, na-traffic, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi makulan. And grabe, grateful pa rin tayo kahit naulan, ang dami pa ding umattend ng ating national convention.
Kasi excited talaga sila ngayong araw na
Correct.
to. Okay.
And of course, we have lots of surprises waiting for you. Abangan nyo po yan, marami kaming pasabog. And kakasabi nga lang nila, Sir Toph, kahit maulan po, sobrang dami. If nakita nyo lang po ngayon, sobrang dami po. Ang laki ng crowd natin here today. We're excited for everyone. Papunta pa lang po. Yan, we hope you make it here.
Yes. Okay, start na ba tayo? Are we going to call
Ano
on?
ba yung mga pwedeng, ano ba ina-expect nila?
Okay, ano ang
Epapis.
ina-expect ng mga affiliates and guests natin today, Sir Ian?
Yan, of course, number one,
Okay?
may kita nyo po dito lahat ng leaders natin from all around the Philippines. You don't just get to bond with them, but you get to trade secrets po in terms of this industry. Yan. Ano ba?
Ang dami ng galing from the provinces. Talaga
True.
nag-effort talaga yung suot nila,
Imagine
preparations, lahat.
Imagine mo, Sir Topa, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Talagang kinoffer talaga natin itong activity natin ngayon na national convention.
Actually, some of our affiliates are from abroad pa.
Exactly.
Diba? Just to
Right.
attend our national convention.
Nakakatuwa talaga, nakakataba ng puso.
And thank you so much po for attending our national convention 2025.
And of course, aside from the sama-sama yung community natin ngayong araw na ito, another thing that everyone is looking forward to is yung recognition po natin.
Correct. Yun yung talagang nilulook forward natin. Saka very excited yung mga affiliates natin. Di ba? Para ma-recognize sila sa araw na ito. Yung isa sa pinakingitay nilang moment
Marami
to be
dyan.
recognized sa ating national convention.
Tandaan nyo po, iba to sa monthly recognition natin, sa Zoom recognition,
Yes.
roadshow recognition. This is a nationwide recognition happening right here today.
This is more special kasi di ba? We got to meet yung mga parang mini reunion. Di ba? Kasi iba nating teams, di ba? From the provinces pa,
From Baguio.
all the way from different places in the
Yes,
Philippines.
Cotabato.
Di ba? To attend our national convention this year.
And I think another thing is, mamimit din nila yung mga executives natin today.
Yes!
So, siyempre, ano ba yung lagi natin nilulook forward? Actually, nilang nilulook forward, di ba? Yung raffle.
Siyempre.
No, worth, magkano ba?
Worth 150,000 cash cash and ano yan raffle prizes yan.
Correct. Ang pwede nilang mapanalunan.
Sino kaya ang mapalad na mananalo?
Affiliates or even guests can win multiple
Multiple
times.
times.
Tandaan niyo po, ang dami ng times na guest yung nanalo ng grand prize po natin. That's a cash prize.
Last national convention, guest natin ang nakauwi ng 50,000 cash
Absolutely.
prize.
Yan yung sa mga talaga nakaka-excite. I look forward this year.
Okay.
So I think that wraps up lahat na pwede nila ma-expect. Let's go to our main event.
Sure.
Yeah. And of course, joining us today for this segment is none other than our top 12 affiliates. Of course, our prestigious Hall of Famers as well. So without further ado, let's get started and welcome our first affiliate to our red carpet here today.
We have Ma'am
Leticia de Guzman, part of our top 12. Ayan po, actually, one of the first presidential elites dito sa Pilipinas.
Ang mahiwagang tanong.
Ayan lang din. How do you feel walking on the red carpet right now?
Actually, I am so excited. Nakikita naman natin yung ambience ng lugar, di ba? Everybody is energetic. At the same time, siyempre, this is the time na we can inspire other affiliates. Lalo yung mga affiliates natin na medyo pinanghihinaan. But with this, no? Lalong lalakas ulit yung tiwala nila sa sarili nila.
Napaka-exciting. Talagang iniintay natin every year.
Totoo yan.
the moment.
Yes, this is the moment.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say to your
Yes,
your
ma'am.
team?
Would you like to invite your team members?
Of course, yung mga nandito na, congratulations! Nandito kayo, nakikita nyo yung energy at saka yung saya dito. But for those who are not yet here, may time pa habol. Kasi malay mo, ikaw yung manalo ng mga grand prizes natin. So, tayo na, dito na tayo.
Okay.
So, yan.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Let.
Thank
One
you
of
po.
our top 12 affiliated for life.
Okay.
Ayan,
Next,
talagang
we
grabe
have-
rin, no? Talagang niintay rin talaga nila yung moment nila, di ba? Yung ating top 12, even the Hall of Famers natin. So, next,
Of course, ang susunod po nating affiliate to join us on the red carpet is also one of our top 12 affiliates, one of the youngest top 12 affiliates, and of course from Northern Luzon as well. Everyone, please join us as we welcome on the red carpet, Ma'am Nicolay Ann Marquez.
From
Yes.
Cabanatuan. That's that. From Cabanatuan. Pasig.
grabe, shine
Hello,
shimmering, di ba?
Say hi to our viewers.
Hi everyone! Ayan, so we're here in Newport. And excited ako to... Ayan, hawakan ko po ba?
Yes, yes. Kami na.
Okay. So, ayun po. Actually, nararating ko lang.
Yes, kung kabanatuan ka ba, Ma'am?
Hindi
Oh,
naman.
Mom, may question ako sa'yo right now. What inspired your outfit today? Napakaganda mo
Grabe,
talaga.
parang terno tayo mag
Yes, oo. Parang
Meron talaga, sir.
Oh.
Nag-chat tayo. This outfit was inspired by our team, One for Life. Yeah. Kasi ano yan I chose this royal blue brown because it represents unity,
Unity.
confidence, and excellence. Parang si For Life lang, no?
Yeah.
So, yung it will remind us, kasi gusto ko yung glittery. No? Kasi
Shining, shimmering.
Yes, shining, shimmering, because it reminds us that when we shine together, we go further together. Bolder and stronger. Ganyan.
Yes. Ganda naman pala talaga ng outfit. Wow.
Ayan, thank you so much and ay, red sir ka na ba, Ma'am?
Hindi pa.
Habol ka na, Ma'am.
Habol ka na ngayon, Ma'am.
Ayan.
Yeah.
I'm sure nandyan sila, kalat-kalat. But ayun, pati mga guests namin, welcome sa inyo. We're excited because maraming mga surprise daw, so, and new products. So, welcome to our team.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Nicolay. Ayan, syempre, di ba ikaw?
Oh,
What inspired your outfit today?
para magpapayat.
Pero grabe.
Sinabi na ni Ma'am Nicolay, di ba?
Pinagandaan mo rin yung...
Parehas kami ng color. Ni Ma'am
Actually,
Nicolay.
ako wala.
Yeah. Pero,
Actually, ano ko last minute.
oh, pero ang
Wala.
pogi mo talaga sa ito. Kaya
Last
saka
minute.
talagang Sir Ian. Talagang
Okay.
nagagawa Next,
natin.
next we have our
Of course, up next we have a power couple, part of our top 12 as well. Of course, headed by the patriarch of their family, Sir Frank Uitesi, and of course, Ma'am Emeline Uitesi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, Sir Frank. Good morning.
Everyone. All right, Ma'am Emeline, Sir Frank, our question for you today is, how excited are you for this amazing event?
Yes, this is the most exciting for life event. Why? Because all of us want to look younger, forever young, and stay beautiful. So I'm sure a lot of women and men out there are excited to be here, to be the first to avail of this special product na galing pa ng USA. So Frank, anong excitement mo? Saan ka ba excited?
Yeah, very excited ako dahil nga dito i-award yung mga qualifiers at saka mga achievers. At talaga dito naman, talagang magaganahan lalo yung mga tao na bago pa lang or gusto na tingnan ang negosyo na to. So, let's be excited dahil nga mayroon tayong ila-launch na bagong produkto. Pampabata, di ba? Napakaganda yan. Gusto natin lahat yan.
And more energy and more fun and really more exciting things coming up in Cornell.
That's
right.
We hope that pwede pa kayong humabol, punta na kayo dito, may mga tickets pa naman tayo. Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
All right,
Go!
Uitesi is very inspiring. Meron po ba kayong message para sa team members ninyo who are here and who are watching online po?
Okay, so for me, I just want to thank all of our partners for coming because kahit umuulan, bumabagyo, nandito po sila. So ibig sabihin, talagang they want to achieve something, they want to gain something, they want to do life differently. So this is what you need to do every single day. Huwag kayong discourage kung may bagyo, kung may ulan, kung may baha. Talagang grabe, nilulusong nila ang baha. No? So, kailangan na talaga determination, perseverance, and don't give up on your dreams. We want to see you next year in Utah. So, there's still 4 more months to go. So, what are you waiting for?
Oh, talagang excited kami dahil nga andito na yung one of the biggest event in For Life. So, kung nag-iisip pa kayo, may time pa. Punta na kayo ngayon dito. Dahil nga ito ang event na will change your life forever. Thank you sa ating team, sa Star-Lord's team, at sa mga kaibigan natin na andito ngayon.
All right, tamang-tama kayo dyan, Ma'am Sir. And of course, thank you so much for joining us on the red carpet.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Emeline, Sir Frank.
All right. That was Sir Frank and Ma'am Emeline Uitesi. And of course, joining us up next would be another power couple in our top 12. And they are from the For Life Baguio community. Everyone, please join us as we welcome Sir Vic Alviar and Ma'am Jean Pelias.
Yes, ayan. Hi ma'am, hi sir. Ayan, talaga namang napakaganda at napakagugwapo, di ba, ng ating affiliates. So for my question po sa inyo, di ba, for our red carpet, Ma'am Jean, Sir Vic, can you send a quick shout out or message to your team? Di ba? Or invite nyo sila, di ba, sa mga, di ba?
Welcome!
Sa lahat po sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, leaders natin. Thank you very much po kasi kung wala po kayo, wala rin kami.
Masaya po dito and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Let's all have fun!
Sir Vic, Ma'am Jean, ano yung nilulook forward nyo rin dito sa ating national convention this year?
Of course, yung mga stories ng mga leaders natin. Kasi alam mo, before nagkakita ko din ng event, I was so inspired sa mga stories nila. Iba nga, sa hirap ng buhay. And when they made the decision, you know what, nabago po yung buhay nila eh. Kaya sana po, yung mga bago, pakinggan nyo po mabuti. Yung mga i-share pong stories ng mga leaders natin. Sigurado ko, i-inspire po.
Yung mabigyan ng recognition ang ating mga co-affiliates na nag-effort. I really want them to feel how it is to achieve something kasi it's the beginning of something good.
Okay, thank you so much from Jean and Sir Vic.
Thank you very much.
Ayan, thank you so
Thank you
much
very
for being serving. See you around the
welcome.
our national convention this year.
Okay.
Grabe, no?
Grabe.
Talagang
Ang
very
dami ng mga
excited
leaders
sila.
na- Totoo.
Talagang pinaghandaan talagang yung ating national convention this year. So, sino na nga ba ang next natin?
Ayan.
Actually, I think is
Si Ma'am, wait lang.
andyan po ba? Sila.
Okay.
Ayan. So, ayan.
Okay.
Ayun.
So, this one we missed a while ago,
Sige,
but
ayan.
also one of our Mavericks, one of our youngest top 12 leaders as well, Ma'am Carla Orhino.
Hello! Hi for life! I'm so excited to be here. Okay? Okay, Ma'am Carla, here's your question. Wow! Kaya lang, hindi ko muna pakikinggan. Go, go. Okay, Ma'am Carla, question is, what are you most looking forward to at today's convention?
Ay, nako, napakadami. But really, it's the recognition of the whole For Life family. And syempre, yung makita mo yung team mo, diba, na umakit dun sa stage, being recognized, you know na you're truly growing. And of course, parang reunion to eh. Imagine mo, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, nandito. Lahat parang, totoong tao ka! Kaya hawak-hawakan mo ba? Oo nga! Diba? Hindi na Zoom. True. So, that's really the exciting part. Kaya dadalhin ko to hanggang pag-uwi. Kaya sayang, lahat ng wala dito, they really have to be here. Halika na. Pasok ka na dito. Invite pwede lang pumasok sa camera para makarating ka na agad dito.
Sayang one box of Rio Vita sticks kasi.
Nakakuha ka na ba ng Yes, nakuha ko na agad. Tapos doon na siya sa bag ko. Pero wala, you know, Rio Vida 6 makuha mo yun sa office. Pero yung experience that you have here, you cannot get it anywhere, but only in this convention.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Carla!
Thank you so much, ma'am. See you around, diba?
Yeah. Kailangan lang.
O yan. Pati dito,
Thank you
dito,
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
Dito na.
Grabe, para tayo nasa passion kumagtalong,
Kaya
no?
nga eh,
Grabe, si Ma'am
nakakatuwa.
Carla yan. Si Ma'am Carla talaga napaka-active na speaker din natin yan sa office. Grabe, ang dami mong matututunan pag siya talaga yung nagsalita.
True. Napaka-great leader talaga. One of our great leader and youngest leader.
Yes.
Yeah, so far, napaka-inspiring ng ating mga in-interview and nakikita niyo po talagang umuulan ng power couples dito sa top 12 natin. And of course, the next one that we're going to call is another strong couple who have been doing this business as strong as possible. Everyone, please join us as we welcome Sir Arnold Alberto and Ma'am Jocelyn Alberto. Ayan
Ma'am
po,
Jo,
to the red
Sir A.
carpet.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Welcome, ma'am. Grabe! Hindi pinaghandaan. Hi, Sir A. Ayan.
Ayan. Always the inspiring couple. Sir AA, Ma'am Jo, ang tanong po namin sa inyo, personally, what does this event mean to you?
Well, una na hello sa mga viewers natin and hello sa lahat ng affiliates nationwide, worldwide, and like tayo sa Facebook. Well, para sa akin personally, ang event na to is isang patunay na mapakikita natin mamaya ang mga successful affiliates na kung saan binigay nila yung best nila, binigay nila yung mga yung efforts nila, yung energy nila para maging successful, and this time nakikita natin sila ma-awardan, i-recognize, and masarap sa feeling namin bilang number one, mentors, uplines nila. Ang sarap pumalakpak. Nakikita ko yung mga anak-anakan, mga apo na magkakit sa stage para i-recognize yung kanilang mga efforts.
Feeling proud.
Yes.
Yes. Totoo yun, no? Hindi to basta ordinary event lang. Para sa amin, inaabangan namin to yearly kasi ito very important and special sa amin ang event na to kasi dito namin makikita na awardan yung mga anak-anakan namin, yung team namin, at talaga sabi nga ni Coach A, very proud talaga kami sa team namin, sa organization namin, na talagang pinaghirapan nila to, walang tulugan, walang kainan, pero syempre behind the success, ito na po yun.
Yeah.
At di ba, para tayo nasa Oscar Award, tatanggap tayo ng mga award. Yeah, yun po yun. And thank you po sa pagdalo nyo lahat.
Ayan.
Wait, teka. Di ba 19th anniversary ng For Life ngayon? So, happy anniversary for Life Philippines!
19th.
Yeah.
Today is July 19th.
July 19th
Yay!
on the 19th. Okay. So congratulations for Life Philippines.
And thank you so much, Sir Ian.
Yeah.
Ma'am Jo.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Before you go, sir, baka may message kayo sa team ninyong nandito or baka nanonood online, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Well, ang message ko sa team, congratulations guys, and sa lahat ng aking stage mamaya. I'm proud sa inyong lahat. And sa lahat ng mga new members, mga new affiliates natin, ito na yung pagkakataon mo, ipakita mo yung best mo, and I know you have your own potential. Give your best. Next year, ikaw naman.
Yes, that's right. Thank you so
Inspiring as always. Thank you so much, Sir A. And Ma'am Jocelyn Alberto. Ayan. And of course,
Sir AA, yan yung talagang Gary V natin sa For Life.
Oh, grabe
Pure
talaga.
energy. Talagang hindi nauubusan yan ng enerhiya. Lagi yung full charge.
ayan. And of course, we've been talking about power couples. Hindi po natin pwedeng kalimutan one of our strongest couples as well sa ating top 12 affiliates. Up next, we'd like to call on Sir Carlos and Ma'am Mapet Orhino to our red carpet. Thank you
Hi, ma'am,
for
sir.
joining us, Sir Carlos and Ma'am Mapet.
Ito ma'am, ito lang naman question ko para nasa budget lang tayo. What segment of the National Convention are you most excited to witness?
Well, go ahead.
Well, first of all, we have so many beautiful people all dressed up to the nines.
Yes.
OMG, nagbago mga itsura, ang gaganda. And secondly, because we will be recognized and awarded for our efforts together, no? Not only as ourselves, but as a team. So that one I'm very excited about. Plus, of course, maraming entertainment. Nag-enjoy ako talaga. Okay?
Yes, and what's wonderful about it is we're bonding with our team and other teams also. That's why For Life is a family. This is one time we celebrate a special opportunity for us to really meet and enjoy one another's company.
Do you have any messages for your team members who are watching online or
Yes, I'd like you to take advantage of this. If you are not able to come today, make it sure that next year you'll be with us. Okay, and goal for it.
Okay. My message is let's work together in unity. Let us support one another with dignity. And that's it. Let's do this honestly. Yun lang.
And
Thank
do
you.
For life differently.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, Sir Carrie and Ma'am Mapet Orhino. Ayan.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nakikita niyo po, a while ago it was Ma'am Carla Orhino and now it's her parents. Talagang For Life is a family business. Now, of course, we've had a lot of our top affiliates march on through our red carpet. I think it's time to take out the big guns.
Wow.
Moving on from the top 12, we will now go to our Hall of Famers. For our next guest on the red carpet, we'd like to call on Sir Mikhail Janjan Ko, one of our Golds and Hall of Famers
Hi,
as well.
sir! Dashing yan yung mic niya, sir.
Yan ang mic ko, sir. I have a question for you, Sir Mikhail. What message would you like to share with the new affiliates who are joining us today?
Wow! For those who are attending for the very first time, yung mga affiliates, I want to mention two things.
Okay.
Number one, you need to savor the moment. Be present. Kasi this is a life-changing experience. Kung pwede, stay ka lang kayo sa seat nyo, take notes, take videos, and write down the important points na mapipick up ninyo. Kung pwede, huwag kang pumunta ng restroom.
Meron naman tayong break
Kung kaya mong pigilan, kasi antayin mo na lang yung break. Kasi it really is a life-changing moment. So that's the first thing. Be present and savor the moment. Number two, this is very important. Kasi we're all similar. We also attended the convention way back for the very first time.
we also attended the convention. We're all similar. Find your inspiration.
Yun.
Find your inspiration. Kasi it's okay to be excited.
Yes.
Kasi excitement, it passes you by eh. Diba? Nawawala ang excitement. But when you find the inspiration, you look at the stories of the successful affiliates. Especially mamaya may mamimit kayong affiliate na
Wow.
napaka-exciting yung story niya, no?
Yes.
Inspiring talaga. Ang tabayanan niyo yun. Watch for him. Oh, ibig sabihin lalaki.
Oo nga, binigyan mo na ng hint,
Bigyan
Sir
ko na kayo ng
John.
hint. So,
Okay.
Watch for him, listen to him, find your inspiration. Kasi when you find your inspiration, it will last you not a very long time, but a lifetime. Yeah. So don't be excited, find your inspiration. That's the two things. Be present, savor the moment, and find your inspiration. Kasi we're all similar. We're all the same. So that's it for me.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir John.
Sir Janjan. Sir, before we let you go, you have one of the biggest teams dito kay For Life, sir. May mensahe ba kayo? Gusto nyo magpasalamat ba, sir? Or may gusto kayo i-shout out?
So shout out sa community natin, DVN. DVN under the G12 network, DVN Diamond Vision Network. So I'm proud of all you guys. I'm proud of our culture. And later I will touch on that. Listen to it and please embody it. And let's be an example to everybody or everyone here in our country. And not only in our country, all over the world. Yun lang.
Ayan. Salamat, Sir Janjan, for those words of wisdom. And thank you so much, Sir Janjan. Alright.
Ikaw talaga pag nakakamayan ng gold.
Parang kaya rin ako actually yung brooch ko gold. Kasi di ba ang team kasi natin blue.
Yes.
Tapos ang brooch ko gold. Diba kasi meron tayong blue gold, di ba? Meron rin tayong Hall of Famer na gold. Kaya talaga hindi ko talaga ito pinaghandaan.
Okay.
Grabe yung words of wisdom ni Sir Janjan. Feeling ko iisipin ko yun hanggang mamayang gabi.
Di ba hindi ka makatulog ha?
Oo nga, iyan ah.
Yeah. So with that, I think so far yun po yung ating mga top 12 affiliates who have arrived here at the venue. And of course, we have so much more to come today. Lalo na po yung papunta pa lang kayo sa Newport, dalihan nyo po. We have a lot of things to be able to show you this afternoon.
Diba? Grabe, dami lang kailangan pagkakaan kayo. Diba kayo? Kaya sobrang dami pa rin ang umatid ng ating national convention. And I see people na talagang nag-ready for today's event.
Ito talaga nakaka-excite. Actually, we're recognized.
Ano yung mata ko, no? Ito talaga talaga nagkakata.
We're recognized na every stage. Naka-wear ka ng gown, naka-wear ka ng gown. Talagang napakaganda mo, napakagwapo mo kayo. Nakakatuwa naman tayo sa Pinoy yun.
Yes, ikaw ba? Sige, ito nagtanungan din naman tayo kanina sa Top 12 and Hall of Famer
Okay.
ng mga inspiration, ng mga outfit nila today. Ano ba? Let's start with Ian. Ano ba yung inspiration mo
Inspiration
with your
ko?
outfit today?
Inspiration ko po is yung poster natin, sabi wear blue.
Sabi ni TJ,
Wear anything blue. Sir Jay, babayan!
Question mo, Sir Jay.
Ikaw, Sir Jaylord, kasi hindi, wait lang. Before Sir Jay, ikaw.
Ay, yung question
Inspiration
nila
mo?
po.
Oo.
Grabe naman
Kasi
to.
isa-isa din kami ikaw, anong inspiration mo today? Kasi yung inspiration niya nga daw is yung poster natin na blue. Wear something blue. Kaya siya naka-blue today.
And actually, I chose powder blue because I think, mapapansin niyo po, karamihan ng mga For Life logo natin, laging blue. Like, I believe blue is the color that embodies community building.
How about you, Miss Happy?
Ayan. Ganyan po talaga. Kaya ko po pinilit po itong ano na to, gown na to.
Ikaw, Sir Jay, anong inspiration?
Well, ang color na blue kasi, it signifies stability and dependability. Trustworthiness. Yan yung psychological meaning ng color na blue. Kaya ito talaga ang color natin dito sa For Life.
Yes, and unity talaga. Talaga,
And
unity.
peace.
Yes, and peace.
World peace.
Okay. Ayan.
So, ano? Marami na actually nagjo-join sa ating Facebook
Ano
Live.
sabi nila?
Diba? We
Ay,
have...
meron din silang
Sinasabi
sariling
nila.
definition ng ano.
Kayo,
wow.
sabihin nyo ano po, bakit blue kaya? Sabihin nyo ang ating theme for this year's
Chat nyo lang po yan sa ating comment section, sa ating live. Why do you think blue is our theme for this year's national convention?
And bukod dyan, mag-shoutout lang po kayo kung saan po inabot yung ating Facebook Live today.
Nakakatuwa talaga.
We actually have only 3 minutes and we're still waiting for those our goals. Ano yung ating mga goals? Yes. Pero because of the challenges in different areas of Metro Manila, nagulat lang ako ha, lakas ng ulan, pero as of 11 a.m., punong-puno yung area natin. Sobrang dami ng mga tao na nandito na. At sabi ko sa kanila mag-lunch muna, ayaw umalis sa pila because of the one box of
Rio Vida Sticks.
Rio Vida Sticks.
Kasi,
Yes. Yun,
nawala ka tuloy, sorry. Kasi hanggang
Tama yan.
1:15 lang eh. Hanggang 1:15 lang yung registration natin para maka-receive sila ng 1 box of Rio Vida.
Let us reiterate, lahat po ng umattend sa National Convention na to, panalo na po kayo kaagad lahat.
Exactly.
Magkano yung ticket natin? 450. Pero yung worth ng ating Rio Vida 6 is worth 2,100.
Eto na, ang $1 million question ngayon, sino ang mag-uwi ng 50,000
pesos? Diba?
O kung nasa bahay kayo, mga team bahay, pumunta na kayo dito, be sure na may ticket kayo para makapasok.
Baka naman kasi pumunta sa wala ng ticket.
Para manalo kayo ng ating 50,000 because we're actually giving away a total of how many? 150.
150,000.
Yes.
And raffle prizes.
Okay.
Sa mga team bahay po na hindi nakapunta this year, tandaan niyo po next year, we hope makapunta po kayo. You heard our top affiliates, and kung nandito po kayo, talagang ang laki po ng crowd natin this year.
Okay, exit muna ako ha kasi ako ang control.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lord.
Ayan, talagang grabe nilook forward talaga yung mga recognition natin today. Natin ganap today.
May paklaper pa tayo.
Actually, even before yung ating araw ng National Convention, sabi natin ganap. I-invite rin natin sila yung mga ganap natin this coming days, diba, na paparating. Kasi meron pa rin tayong mga events even after our National Convention.
Yun pong kinaganda nating convention week. Kahit tapos na yung convention, meron pa rin po tayo mga surprises sa inyo. Starting with Monday, meron tayong training with our executive all the way from the US, Sir Trevor Luke. Meron po siyang training na mindset of a multiplier.
That's on Monday. That's July 21.
Then after that, lilipat naman po sila ni Ma'am Eileen sa Davao right after the next day. That's on a Tuesday to have a Age Pro training. So with that, marami po talagang ganap ngayong araw na to. We have to get the program going. So with that, that is the end of our red carpet. Abangan niyo po yung ating mga events later on. Once more, my name is Ian.
Ang nilalang na lagi masaya. My name is Happy Aguirre.
Ang nilalang na laging I'm Coffee Bias po. Thank you so much for in tuning in our Facebook Live dito sa ating National Convention dito sa Newport Performing Arts Theater.
Let's enjoy the National Convention.
Bye!
Simula sa vlog, may kwento akong dala. Mixed content, lahat ay may halaga. Batch 77, batch 83. Mga tropa sama-sama, walang kakupas pa rin. Norms DPTV 14, isamahan mo ko. Kwento ng buhay, vlog ko'y todo-todo. Sagwat yan sa tagig, tayo'y nagkakaisa. Click like, subscribe, di ka magsisisi pa. From elementary hanggang high school, memories ay solid. Pinalakas ng panahon, di tayo mapapatid. Sa bawat upload may inspirasyon. Proud to be Pinoy, to ang misyon. Notice DPTV 14, isamahan mo ako. Kwento ng buhay, vlog ko'y todo-todo. Sagwat yan sa tagig, tayo'y nagkakaisa. Click like, subscribe, di ka magsisisi pa.